We're going to talk about the elephant in the room today. A lot easier than people make them out to be. You can tell that it is something special. We'll leave that up to the customer to try that out. Sorry, there'll be no more videos from DC. Hey everyone, and welcome back to DC MotorWerks. My name is Cameron, and in front of me we have 3 manual swapped AMG Mercedes. And if you like manual swapped Mercedes and just other stuff that we do in general, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. We really do appreciate it. But Mercedes manual swaps are starting to become more and more common, and especially because we've realized that they're not as difficult as people make them out to be. If you do your homework, you can figure that out on your own, and we're happy to help you along the way as well. But I forget how many months ago, but about 5,000 miles ago, we completed a manual swap on this CLK55, and the owner absolutely loves it, daily drives it, takes it on long trips. He's lowered it, he's done some exhaust modifications, and it has nearly 200,000 miles on it, which you'd never know by looking anywhere on the car, because he takes such great care of it and loves it so much. Check out that video here if you hadn't seen that one. But we've also got a C63 507 edition. You can always tell by those beautiful nostrils that it's got on the hood, which are functional, but this one got a manual swap as well, and looks totally the part in the most rare body style of the 507, the sedan. In the white, just looks absolutely beautiful. But we're going to talk about the elephant in the room today, and that is the elusive CLK63 AMG Black Series. I know that is a mouthful, but it is worthy of that because these are a super low production. With all the Black Series cars, they are all super special. But the CLK63 is one of the most special with the wide body. This one really got what it deserved with the manual swap. So let's go ahead and check it out. So we had to bring it forward there to see the beautiful wide body, and I don't really know where to start on this one because it really is that good and that special. And we could just stand here and look at it all day, but I know we all want to see the business end, and that is the manual swap, and just come around and have a look. So that's one of our things we pride ourselves on here at DC MotorWerks, is making everything OEM plus, and really everything except for one part, and that is the clutch, is OEM on this build. And that is because we like the single mass flywheels, whereas the factory dual mass flywheel, it's a little spongy feeling and it doesn't fit the character, especially of a Black Series. So we went with the single mass flywheel from Kangaroo's team. So big shout out to them. They've supplied clutches for all of our manual swaps, and will continue to do so because they make a great product. So if you have a look, even down to the aluminum pedal pads, everything is factory, bolt in with the pedal box and everything. It really makes these, like I said, there's a lot easier than people make them out to be. And that is one of the best things, is it's totally reversible, all OEM. You can take this to the dealership to get worked on. And the best part to me is going to Cars and Coffee or wherever you like to go and convincing people that this is a factory manual, because it really looks exactly that way. And one of the best things about that is that when you get in and you turn the key, clutch in neutral, and not a single warning light other than the parking brake, but no warning lights on the dash. Everything works. The traction control, you don't have to do anything but get in the car and drive, down to a factory shift knob, which matches. But enough talking about it. I know what everyone wants to see, and that is to go for a drive. So jump on in and let's check it out. Doing these manual swaps is really a community effort, and I got to give a big shout out to Josh from Mercedes Swap Shop and Anderson on YouTube and Instagram as well. The community of doing the manual swaps on these special cars is really what makes this so exciting. It's because we all work together to get the best result. Like I say, we get something like this that is totally OEM, no warning lights or anything. You just jump in and have a totally normal car, the way it should have been built from the factory, with 3 pedals. Got the throttle mapping on point, do some nice rev match downshifts. And like I said, everything is in the factory placement, the pedal box, the shifter, so everything just feels totally natural, as if Mercedes designed it from the factory, which essentially they did, because they did make manual versions of lesser motor CLKs. But immediately when you get into this car and start rolling, you can tell that it is something special. It is stiff and tight, and you got no sunroof, which is totally weird, and the seat is manual, and it's just so tight and responsive. And you of course, you get that wonderful M156 naturally aspirated 6.2 liter soundtrack. Show you a neat little party trick is that you even retain factory launch control. You can see here, foot to the floor. You get about a 3,500 RPM launch, which is really just a Mercedes thing that under 10 miles an hour or so, it limits the revs to that, but it works great as a factory launch control as you can flat foot start this off, which we won't do now. We'll leave that up to the customer to try that out. But there you can see the traction control is working, and oh my God. That'll make your heart race real quick. It just doesn't let up. It just keeps pulling, and you get that sensation with every gear you change, you're just back in your seat anywhere in the rev range. I gotta say, when we first finished this swap and I started driving it, it was near, and still is, as intoxicating as a Murcielago or one of the big Lamborghinis. And I gotta love that noise. Those are up there with my two favorite engine notes of all time, is a naturally aspirated Lamborghini V12 or the big naturally aspirated AMG V8. And here you still get in sixth, cruising nicely up to 60. You're doing like 1,800 RPM. Still nice and tame. Rev match, a few cogs. Just never gets old. So flat, so tight. It's hard to believe something like this came from Mercedes in 2008. This was kind of before, you know, everything became sporty and luxury became a thing of the past. And the clutch feels great, nice weight, nice grab point. And the way these come alive in the high RPM range is the only engine that AMG built ground up by themselves. And man, does it show. It's just a piece of history. I'll be real sad to send this one home. Is your heart racing yet? Let's see. Goodness. Cameraman says I'm gonna kill him, but I think it's worth it. Sorry, there'll be no more videos from DC. Oh, just listen to that noise. But let's go ahead and show y'all underneath the skirt and show you just how factory this looks. I know I keep saying it, but we're gonna show you today. All right, so now we're gonna share our homework with you and show you just how nice this looks underneath. So you can see everything is total like factory spec with factory parts. We did go with a aftermarket magnetic drain plug for the transmission, but you can see even down to the part number on the boot for the, this is the bleeder for the slave cylinder, is all totally factory. The O2 sensor bracket we modify to fit just like factory. And you can see everything bolts up, no adapters or anything necessary. Factory cross member, trans mount. So you can take this to the dealer and have them work on it and they won't be any the wiser, especially if they haven't been around a long time. Even down to the factory hard line and grommet and retainer clip, we get all of that. So this looks totally factory. And even these soft hydraulic lines are really tough to get, but we have a stock of them to make this, again, OEM, but OEM plus. So look at that, you can even check out my reverse lights, although this one should only be going forward. So there you go, a completed manual swap from us here at DC MotorWerks on a CLK63 AMG Black Series. And just look at that wide body. It is just a beautiful thing to look at, whether it is sitting still or whether it is rolling. Like I say, we've done a bunch of these manual swaps now. We're happy to help you out. Even if you're from Colorado or further, we'll be happy to help you out with shipping and get you here and get you a quick manual swap on your Mercedes AMG. Because like I said, we've done all our homework and we are happy to help out and create the manual swap AMG community. And if you like what you see here, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and we'll see you for the next swap.